Hello everyone, welcome to Java training. We will start with the installation of Java. As all of you know, the Java is a platform independent language. So, in any operating system, the same class file or bytecode can be executed provided the JVM or JDK is installed for that particular operating system in your system. So, for that purpose, first we have to download the exe file in case if you are using Windows, and in case of Linux we can see in different files for installation in Linux and other operating system, but for Windows you have to install the exe file for JDK. So I'll go for JDK 6 download, and there are many JDK 6 downloads you can see. I'll go here. And I'll go to Java SC download page where there is Java 7 JDK 7 downloads are given here. You can also download JDK 7 by clicking on this Java link, and then you can select accept and whatever. And for Windows you have JDK exe file for Windows. You can click on this link and you can download the exe file to install JDK in your system, in your Windows operating system. So I have already downloaded that exe. I have downloaded Java 6 JDK 6 1.6 JDK. You can find it in the download folders JDK, and I double clicked on it, and you have to just follow next and next and all the steps. After following all the steps, you will find out that your Java or JDK is installed. I see inside program files inside Java folder. You can see I have different versions of JDK already installed in my system, but the most important part is after installing JDK you have to set the environment variable, which is very important, because until you will set the environment variables, the system will not recognize the required Java commands. Okay, so for that purpose, first you can set the environment variable java underscore home and gre underscore home. Once again I will show how to set the environment variables. Just go to your my computer icon, right click on that, click on properties, go to advanced system settings, and there you will find environment variables. So first, if if you have installed Java first time, this java underscore home and gre underscore home variables will not be there in your system. So you have to click on new and give the name java underscore home. And since you have installed the JDK, say for example you have installed JDK 1.7, then you have to give this path of JDK here, and then once you click on OK, this particular thing will be saved in your java underscore home. In the same way, you can set gre underscore home and the path for the gre. So go to Java folder or directory again and go to gre6 and then this path and and finally give this value and click on OK. That will set your JRE home. But the most important thing is that inside the path you have to give the bin directory path of both JDK and JRE. For example, I have already given it in my system. Look here, if you can see, this is the path of the bin directory which is there in JRE6 folder inside Java, and in the same way I have given the bin folder path for JDK. It is required because java.exe is javac.exe, javac.exe is there inside the bin of JDK, bin directory of JDK. For example, if I open this, if I open bin, and then look, java.exe and java.exe both are there in bin. So these paths has to be mentioned in your environment variables. So after doing this, you will be ready with all Java installation and you can write hello world program. So let's start the hello world program. We will start it from the next session. Till then, practice and install how to